Okay, so now you're going to put some filters on. So I need you to highlight all of your data. And then you're going to go to Data, Filter, and click Filter again. Then you're going to go to the City drop-down menu. And I only want you to select Buffalo, Niagara Falls, and Rochester. So you're going to go to here, you're going to uncheck Select All, and I want Buffalo, Niagara Falls, Rochester. And then I want you to pull this. Hold on, to get all my stuff out of the way here. And then I want you to hit apply. Okay, so then I want you to copy and paste this new set of data onto the next sheet titled Filtering Data Task 1 and 2. So you're going to take this and Control C, come right over to here, and Control V. Done. Then you're going to come back over and it says restore your data before doing task 2 by clicking on the filter button next to the city drop down menu and click on select all and then hit apply. Okay, so task 2, you're going to do your filters again, except now you're going to click on the county drop down menu and I want Delaware, Niagara, and Warren. So county, uncheck, Delaware, Niagara, and Warren, and then you're going to hit apply. Once again, you are going to copy, Control C, and then you are going to Control V, all your data here. And then it says restore your data again. So come over here to the filters, click select all and hit apply.